Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook my steak. And the steak I'm going to use is the New York steak. I usually like the ribeye, but today I'm settling for the New York steak. The first thing you need to do is heat the pan to medium and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is partially melted, we will add in our steak. The time to cook a steak vary depending on the thickness of it. For this size and thickness, I will cook it for about 10 minutes each side. Once the other side is being cooked, we will season it really well with salt and black pepper. After 10 minutes pass, we will flip our steak. And then we will season this side as well with salt and pepper. Once each side is cooked for 10 minutes, we will set it aside and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's cook 2 more steaks. For these 2 steaks, we will use the same butter as we used for the last 2 steaks. As before, we will season the steak really well with salt and black pepper. Once 10 minutes has passed, we will flip it. And we'll also season the sides as well. Our 2 steaks are done, guys. I usually eat it with this Cambodian seafood sauce. It complements the steak really well. You can also eat this with A1 sauce or any steak sauce you would like. Let's cut it up and see what looks on the inside. It's nice and pink, and that's how I like it. And of course, I like to dip it into the seafood sauce. The steak can be eaten with rice, potatoes, or anything you would like. And you can also eat it alone. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.